The following count as a violation of the custody order. 1. Not allowing the child to speak with or communicate with the other parent exactly as it is stated in a custody order. Another thing that counts as violation of a custody order is, for example, if your kid is sick and you say, oh, they shouldn't go with the other parent, if it's the other parent's time to pick up the child, you need to let your child go. That other parent is just as capable of taking care of a sick kid. When the other parent violates a custody order, the first thing you should do is call local law enforcement. Local law enforcement may be able to do something immediately, and that could be including arresting the other parent for not following the visitation order for interference with child custody. If that doesn't happen, the next thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you're showing up on the right day, at the right place, at the right time. Because if you're not there, you're not exercising your rights. And if you're not exercising your rights, the court can't hold the other person accountable for violating your visitation rights. A motion for contempt is filed with the court that issued a custody or child support order, asking for the person violating the custody order or child support order to be punished in some way. The first way would be to be held in contempt. Once a person is held in contempt, the court has a variety of options to hold that person accountable. One could be up to 6 months in the county jail. Another thing that will happen is if somebody's held in contempt, they're going to have to pay your attorney's fees. Another thing is the judge could put them on probation and say, if you don't follow this order and something is filed with me saying you didn't follow it, I will issue an immediate order for your arrest. Repeated violations of a custody order can lead to a change in custody. In Texas, this law recently changed. And if somebody is violating a custody order, if your rights to see your kid are being repeatedly denied, then yes, you can hold that person accountable with contempt, but you can also do something to take your kid out of that situation so that your kid isn't being used as a pawn. The documentation most important when reporting custody violations is going to be any documentation that shows you were where you were supposed to be, when you were supposed to be there to pick up your kid. This could be where you share your location or you take a picture of yourself at the correct location on the right day at the right time and text it to yourself. It could be you going to a nearby store and purchasing something there and keeping the receipt with the date and time. As long as you do that and you're denied your rights, we'll be able to help you assert your rights and make sure that you get to see your kid again.